Alright, we're on top of the Starbucks Reserve Roastery, 5th floor, rooftop terrace. Right? Rooftop terrace?
Yeah. Ta-da!
Michigan Avenue, Christmas lights. Alright.
Ta-da! Wow.
Always posing. And this is the rooftop terrace. So, let's see. It's 5 levels. Something different on every level. Some art. Alright.
Yes.
Yeah. We'll just go down the stairs to each level, alright?
Welcome to the farm. Roastery, ketchup, and
I had a pistachio latte. Costa Rica. Thank you. All right, man. Very fancy, huh? Oh, nice seating. Oh my. Cocktails and everything, huh? Oh yeah, big ice thing. Pretty cool. Ah, El Tesoro. That's good tequila. I like that one. El Tesoro. Some pastries. Oh. That's pretty cool.
you want the cocktail espresso?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Huh. Interesting, huh? Would be interesting, huh? Huh. Yeah, I've seen that around. Huh. Let's see, I don't know, what do you think? You want to try something? Not what you normally see in a Starbucks, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Mixing up the cocktails. Very busy.
These are this.
Huh. Pistachio buttered rum, Starbucks Christmas coffee, Santa Teresa rum, amaretto, ginger liqueur, pistachio almond syrup, marshmallows, and pistachios. Huh.
It's so sweet. But there's a lot there.
Chai nog. I had the pistachio latte.
Yeah.
I had
Too
this
sweet
one. That
for
was
me.
good. I liked it. But it is a little sweet.
Not
But
little.
it's nice.
Sweet. Very sweet.
Yeah. I don't know. You want,
So there is on the
So-
side. Come see.
more?
No, the
Oh, the menu?
Starbucks Reserve Espresso Martini Flight.
Oh, that might be good. Espresso, vodka, vanilla bean, and dark chocolate. You want to try one of them?
Going to sit on the
Okay. Let's order one. Why not, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. Okay.
Expensive.
Yeah. What is this for? This is level 3. Oh, and if you have no ID, they will not give you alcohol. Even if you're 60 years old. Crazy. Pretty much looks like, well, they have all the siphons up here. Huh. Oh. Oh, the different ones. Huh. The pour over, the Chemex, and the siphon. Huh.
Some temperature.
Yeah, interesting, huh? It's kind of like a little instructive thing. Temperature is pretty much the same. Grinded, the only one is different. Is that one? Huh.
Smell, slurp, save taste cup. The characteristics of coffee.
That's nice. Huh. Yeah. Shows the different oral, sweet, light-bodied, harmonious, acidity. Huh. Ah, I see in the middle, tropical fruit, lavender, black tea. Huh. Man. I've never seen anything with all of that tasting bell pepper, herbal, earthy. Huh. That's pretty interesting. They're using liquid nitrogen to freeze it, you know. It's interesting. Interesting, huh? So 4 is the cocktail bar, 3 is experiential coffee bar. The next level is bakery. Busy. I thought earlier it wasn't very busy, but they really are pretty full. prosciuttos, some pizzas. Hey. This is your area, huh?
It's
Oh man, look at those beautiful ovens. Oh
I
my.
love your ovens.
Man. Oh my. Nice. Oh. Man. Nice. Huh. Man.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Huh.
Enjoy working here. Thank you.
Yeah, nice ovens, honey.
So the one in Milan is like this?
I don't know. Yeah. I suspect they're all slightly different. Huh. All sorts of coffee accessories, coffee mugs, artwork.
That is chocolate.
This one?
No, the other.
That?
It's 495 or
$4.25.
425.
The
Plus
coffee
tax.
jacket. Oh, repurposes the jute coffee bags. Man, honey. Huh. Well, it does make a statement. You want that for Christmas?
No. Thank you.
In a gold mug. They sell the crap out of these in Dubai, honey. They put them in the wrong place.
Yeah.
All right. Yep. Oh, they've got the roastery. Coffee bags. And that's quite the roasting machine there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
My goodness. Huh. Man. Well. Very nice. Huh. All right. Well.